my God! Oh! What's up, guys? Welcome to Copper. We're out here with Tommy. He's got a new jacket. He's looking fresh. He kind of copied my color scheme. Why'd you do that?
I called them. I was gonna say I called your wife, asked her what color you're wearing, and she said red. So I said, you know what? I'm trying to be cool like Johnathan, so I bought a red jacket.
So if you guys want a red jacket, my jacket's linked in the description. Snag one.
But I don't want to say that I'm calling your wife because that's weird.
Alright guys, we got a big goal today. And it's something that I've always wanted, literally from like a child, when I first got on the thing called YouTube and I typed in snowboarding and the video snowboarding showed up. A guy did a cartwheel on a snowboard and it blew my mind. I was like, that's what? And then I met a guy named Tommy who can do a cartwheel and I was like, what? And so today Tommy is gonna teach me how to do a cartwheel. And hopefully we get this. All right, Tommy, give me 3 tips for doing a cartwheel.
Don't be soft, don't be soft, don't be soft. All right, the 3 tips are, first you gotta lean back and really drive forward. So you're leaning back to create the momentum, and then you gotta really drive off of your nose, because the whole point is to get your whole body up and over. The next thing is, as you get your lead hand on the ground, you're more worried about getting your second hand up and over to reach the ground. As that second hand goes up and over, it's gonna pull the rest of your body. Then, the third main tip, as you're upside down, keep your core tight and your whole body nice and rigid so that you go up and over and you're not collapsing and just falling halfway through the maneuver, because I mean, that's not the trick, it's not fun, and it doesn't help. So, those are my 3 tips. Now, you gotta get it.
All right, well, we gotta see you do one first.
I've actually never done this.
Oh, dang.
This is his first run, so is this first
this
trick
is
Friday?
This is first trick Thursday, Wednesday, whatever day it is.
Wicked Whack Wednesday.
Just go for it. What? Yes! Obviously that's first tee or first land, but we can get that better today.
Yes, we can clean that up, but from your 2 attempts to that was night and day.
Right? Well, I said don't be soft.
DBS, don't be soft. Once again, guys, I did not teach him how to catch an edge. You're getting really close. Your hands and your arms are bent, meaning your face is close to the ground. So we've been struggling to find the absolute sickest, dopest place ever. So I recommended that we hike this biscuit.
I did it.
Cause you got it.
I just did it.
Let's do it. Dude. Yes. He almost missed the high five again.
Oh my God. Oh, let's go, Johnathan Buckhouse. Yo! So the reason why that one was good is I didn't like turn or revert. I like rode away for a second. And if I wasn't hiking, I would have like kept going. Dude!
This makes this video no longer clickbait.
Seriously. All right, that one kind of tweaked my shoulder that I have hurt in the past. We're good, we got one. Like a pretty good one, I'm stoked on it. And so we were just talking, and it's important to not get greedy on a day that you're learning a new trick. Like that kind of tweaked it, you know, give it a run and it'd probably be good to try it again. However, why injure that shoulder when I don't have to, when I can come back tomorrow, try it again, or next weekend for you guys. So don't get greedy. I'm feeling good. We learned a cartwheel today. Wow! What? That was a lifetime goal trick for me. I can't wait to see it on footage. Snap a photo, make an Instagram video. I'm so hyped, dude. And now the rest of the day is just cherry on top, super fun. We came out with a goal today. We talked about this yesterday, so We accomplished it. Now it's a rip.
Dude, you crushed that.
You crushed it.
Actually though.
Oh!
And it's second run.
Yeah, that was second run, by the way, guys. So before we get into the mad, crazy montage of sick snowboarding, let's mention that Tomie is a snowboard coach, my snowboard coach, most amazing dude I ever met on this planet, lifting my riding up. Now, he has an Instagram you should check. Daily trick tips and videos on how to do tricks and stuff. Sick. YouTube channel, blowing minds. Posting videos about snowboarding that no one's ever posted. Must subscribe. And last, if you want to work with him online with his online snowboard course, that's linked in the description. It's more park oriented, but there's so much core and just ability to snowboard covered in it. I highly recommend it, guys. Now with that, let's kill it.
Don't tell anyone. Surprise!
That blew my mind. I thought that was a down bar.
Oh,
Rip. Okay. We got the ski dock now.
Bird up.
Bird up, let's go. Guys, it's dumping right now. That was switch.
Goodbye.
Woo! Alright guys, this is the end of Tomie.
I mean, I'm not dying. I'm not expiring.
He's coming back out later today, but we won't be out here, so.
Peace out, dog.
All right, do something cool right here. Let's go. That's your goodbye.
Okay, something cool.
Yes.
Let's get some shots of the ski dock.
Huh? Oh, me?
Guys, we have bad news. The gimbal died. I don't know why. All right, guys, we had a whole chairlift ride to realize that Michael, he jacked himself up on that little fall.
I'm crying. I'm just kidding.
Dude,
No, I have an event tomorrow. I'm a little worried about that.
Yeah, no, Michael needs his arms because he runs a mobile tuning shop. If you don't know, his information's in the description. If you need to get your stuff tuned up, Michael's the guy. He does events too. We'd plug this one, but it's gonna be too late when this video posts. But if you follow his Instagram, you'll see when he's doing all these cool bar, meet and wax and events and stuff, which we want to do a meet and wax December 1st. Woo! So be ready for that. We'll drop like the week before that. We'll push it hard, but that's what we're thinking.
Yeah.
But this is Chipmunk. We don't have a gimbal. Michael doesn't have a shoulder, and hopefully nothing else dies today. Guys, Michael's selling his jacket for a couple $1,000 if you want it. Despite you getting slammed, what a sick day.
Yeah.
I had fun. I learned a cartwheel today, guys. Like, what? But guys, same thing with me when I was in the cartwheel and I kind of bummed my shoulder out. Same thing with Michael. He bummed his shoulder out. We don't need to stay out here and get it more hurt. Let's go slow it down and figure out what happened. We got a whole season ahead of us. It's only November, so call Michael for a tune.
Yeah, not tonight.
I really don't know why the gimbal died so quick. I thought I was gonna hit that car. I don't know why it died so quick today. Maybe cold, maybe because we filmed a video prior to the day. I don't know. Normally I bring a backpack with like a holder for the GoPro, so if the gimbal does die, we can like continue filming, but not today. But it worked out. Michael got hurt. Not that that's a good thing, that's a bad thing, but it worked. Today's working out fine. We did a cartwheel today, guys. And guys, today's sticker shout out goes to static_man91. Got the red on top of the white Evolution sticker. He layered them. If you guys do want to get a sick Evolution sticker design, whatever, you can layer them like he did. It's so sick. You could do like the orange and the blue, make the Denver Broncos, or we now have green and we still have yellow in stock, so you can do Green Bay Packer colors. Basically, you can layer anything you want. I think the gold on top of the black is super sick too. But anyways, if you want any of the Evolution stickers, they're always linked in the description, and then tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And by gear, I mean like my hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. We sell all of that, guys. They're all super sick. That's all linked in the description as well. I am so excited that I got the cartwheel 3 times. I want to do more of them, and as the day progressed, I was like, I should do more of them, but I wanted to let that shoulder like kind of chill for a second since I did kind of tweak it. Even though then I tried to do hand plants, and like, either way, I had fun today. Cartwheel, like what? Because that's a sick trick, make sure you guys hit that like button. You should subscribe to the channel if you're new. Our goal is to help you become the best snowboarder possible, and also show you on really crappy snowy days that aren't that like hot, you can have a super sick day. A lot of people take days like these off, at least the locals do. And I don't, me and Tommy don't. Neither does Michael. We come out, we rip. It's super fun. Don't forget, guys, we're also giving a pair of Outdoor Masters away. They're magnetic lenses. They're super sick. If you want to win these goggles, in the description, there's a link at the top. Enter the goggle giveaway. Or if you want these goggles, you think they're sick, they're only $40. Lenses are like $30. You can order a pair. Their information is also linked in the description. The last thing I just want to say is if you want to help support the dream, help this daily content, check out my Patreon page. I post a blog every Monday. If you just donate $1, you can read that blog, which is super sick. And that $1 donation does go a long way. It's how I do YouTube full time. But you can also donate $5, $10, $1 million. I offer a Snowboard 101 course. We're doing a group shred on Saturday if you want to be a part of that. So that's tomorrow technically. So jump on, join the group shred tier, and I'll message you all the information to come rip with me on Saturday with all the other Patreon supporters. And with all of that, Team Huckhouse, thank you for shredding with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. keep evolving, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so do banger, I'm the new Mick Jagger, I'm the new Mick.
So you want to plan a ski or snowboard trip to Colorado? Well, this is your locals guide.